Na ito mga kasikat. So, pakilala naman kayo isa-isa. Simula sa'yo, Ate Girl.
So, good afternoon po. I'm Jessie Manalo from Quezon Province, 17 years old, and I'm glad to be part of this organization, which is Yuri TV Philippines. Ayan.
Thank you. Napakagaling naman ito magsalita. And the next, Binibini. Pakilala ka naman sa ating mga nanonood live.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Juliana Seren Adiola. I'm 20 years old from Valenzuela City.
May paano? May pakulot yung boses. Kinakabahan. May pakulot. Ayun. At the next girl. Pakilala ka naman sa ating mga viewers.
Hi everyone, I'm Chantal Adrian S. Pinocasan, 18, and I live in San Vicente, Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Wow, from Santa Maria, Bulacan. And the next is...
Hi, my name is Jessica May Celestial and I'm 21 years old, based